Welcome to Regular Achievers Educational Limited, presenting Royal Tutors. I will be taking through a topic, calculation, a moment. We have a question here. To open a door, a person pushes on the edge of a door with a force of 20 Newton. The distance between their hand and the inches is 0.7 meters. What is the moment used to open the door? Very simple. We have a formula to do this. Moment is equals to force times distance. In the question, we are given the value of the force to be 20 Newton and the value of the distance to be 0.7 meters. Now 20 times 0.7, that will give you 14. Now, what is the unit of moment? Newton meters. I'll be giving you an exercise. Please submit the answer at the comment box. Assumed force in this case is 5 Newton and the distance is 3 meters. Calculate the moment. Thank you.